Anthropic has reportedly released Claude Fable 5, and this may be one of the strangest AI model launches we have seen. Fable 5 is described as Anthropic's most powerful publicly available AI model. It is reportedly better at long, complicated tasks, coding research, and autonomous work. But there is a catch. Claude Fable 5 may refuse some surprisingly basic questions, and in some situations, it may quietly move the request to a weaker model instead. So in this video, I'll explain what Claude Fable 5 is, why Anthropic is restricting it, and what normal users should know before using it. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools, agents, and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more with AI. Let's start with a simple explanation. Claude Fable 5 is reportedly the first widely available model from Anthropic's new Mutos class family. Anthropic's regular Claude models include Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Fable and Mutos appear to represent a more powerful class of models designed for complex, long-running work. The full Claude Mutos 5 model is reportedly being kept for selected organizations and sensitive research. Fable 5 is the safer public version. It uses similar underlying technology, but Anthropic has added strict restrictions to reduce the risk of misuse. So, what can Fable 5 actually do? Reports say it is especially strong at complex tasks that require the AI to work for a long time. For example, analyzing large projects, writing and reviewing code, completing multi step research, using tools, planning work, and operating more like an AI agent instead of a basic chatbot. This is the bigger trend happening across AI. Models are moving from answering individual questions to completing larger jobs. But Fable 5 is powerful enough that Anthropic appears to be worried about how people might misuse it. That is where the restrictions come in. According to reports, Fable 5 has unusually strict safety filters around areas like biology and cybersecurity. Some users have reportedly found that it refuses even basic biology or medical questions. For example, questions about common biological processes or health topics may trigger a refusal. In some cases, the request may be redirected to Claude Opus 4.8 instead. That means the user still receives an answer, but the answer comes from a less powerful model. Why would Anthropic do this? The simple answer is risk. A model that is very good at biology could help legitimate researchers, but it could also potentially help people create dangerous biological materials. A model that is very good at cybersecurity could help companies find weaknesses, but it could also help attackers exploit those weaknesses. Anthropic appears to be taking a very cautious approach. Instead of trying to perfectly separate safe and dangerous requests immediately, it may block too much and improve the system later. That creates an important debate. Should powerful AI models refuse more requests to keep people safe? Or should legitimate users have access to the full model's capabilities? There is no simple answer. Too few restrictions could create serious risks, but too many restrictions could make the model frustrating or unreliable for normal users. Imagine paying for the most powerful model, asking a reasonable question, and having the request silently moved to an older model. Users need to understand when that happens. Transparency matters. For normal users, Fable 5 could still be extremely useful. You could use it for complex business analysis, long research tasks, coding projects, reviewing large documents, building plans, creating workflows, and running AI agent tasks that need more judgment. But Fable 5 is probably unnecessary for simple tasks. You do not need the most powerful model to write a short email, summarize a basic document, or create 10 social media captions. For those tasks, faster and cheaper models may be better. The simple rule is use lighter models for quick tasks. Use powerful models like Fable 5 for difficult work where better reasoning and longer task competition actually matter. There is also a privacy issue to watch. Reports say Fable 5 may use different data retention rules because Anthropic needs to monitor requests for safety. Before using it with private business files, client information, code, or sensitive documents, check the current data policy carefully. The big idea is this: Claude Fable 5 is not only a model launch, it represents a new problem for the AI industry. The models are becoming more powerful, but companies are becoming less comfortable releasing that full power without restrictions. Fable 5 may show us what future frontier AI releases look like: more capable, more agentic, but also more controlled. And if you want to learn how to use tools like Claude, AI agents, and automations for practical work, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into real AI workflows and use cases. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with what matters more to you: maximum AI capability or stronger safety restrictions. See you in the next one.